What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. VP Tactical here, and today we've got a quick tech tip for you. This is my Palmetto State Armory dagger, aka a Glock 19 clone. Ran into some issues when I first put this whole thing together, so I just wanted to highlight that real quick, especially if somebody else out there might be running into the same problem. If you're planning to mount an optic on these pistols, really any pistol, you'll want to be cognizant because you'll oftentimes get screws from the manufacturer for the slide itself or the pistol, and then you'll also get screws from the optic company. And so you'll want to find the right combination that works for you. Sometimes this can be a little bit of trial and error. Typically you might want to go right for the long screws, but if you try to use both long screws, you may run into some problems with, on the extractor side particularly, with that binding up and or having issues, or just not seating all the way. So other people say, well, I'll just use both short screws. Well, I tried that too. Optic comes loose or walks off after maybe a couple magazines. And so it's quite frustrating to say the least, and that was with blue Loctite and torquing it down to the proper specs according to the manufacturer. And so really what you need to do is use a short screw on the right side on the extractor side, and then a long screw on the left side. So just quick tech tip for you. I hope this helps. If you like that content today, definitely hit that like and subscribe button, and that little bell notification too, so that we don't miss out on future stuff as I post more videos. Thank you, be safe, and stay vigilant.